New devices to test the hearing of newborn babies are being introduced to Queensland. The units are smaller and quicker, and their rollout is an Australian first.
12 seconds is now all it takes to test a newborn baby's hearing.
This is about using new technology, using an innovative device, but also making it more efficient for nurses to get on with their work.
It's just freeing up nurses' time to be looking after families. It's less intrusive on families as well, instead of being hooked up to a device for several minutes.
This new technology is only the size of a mobile phone. It replaces the current test, a laptop on a heavy cart, which took up to 7 minutes to complete.
If we can detect that hearing loss as early as possible, it will allow us to intervene and help children so they don't develop any communication, speech or learning problems later in life.
More than 60,000 pairs of ears have been tested in the state each year since the Healthy Hearing program started in 2004. Around 1% of newborns are referred on for more testing and specialist treatment.
Our very experienced paediatric audiologists will then determine what type of hearing loss the child has, what's the degree of it.
When hearing loss is caught early, organisations like Hear and Say can make a plan to get the child's development on track.
We teach the parents to teach the babies at home to accelerate the development of their auditory brain pathway building.
This 12-second test can change a child's life forever.
Luckily for this new bub, it's an all clear. Casey Briggs, ABC News, Brisbane.